Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access device settings and choose Bluetooth. Now tap on the switcher if it's not already on to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Now you need to select pair in it and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by clicking on the secure icon next to the device and choosing forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!